Okay, what is the present value of £2,000 in 3 years' time using 7% per annum? So it's the opposite of compound interest. We're going to find that the present value is £2,000 divided by 1 plus the interest rate, which is 1 plus 0.07, compounded 3 years, so 3 times, will give us that present value. Using Excel over here, so let's use here, equals 2,000 divided by 1.07 to the power of 3. That gives us 1632.60. 1632.60 pounds. That's the present value of £2,000 in 3 years' time using 7% interest per annum. Alright, that was part A. Part B now is saying what is the present value of £2,000 in 182 days' time using 7% per annum. And we're assuming there are 365 days in the year and we're using simple interest, so we can't use this formula. So in simple interest, we would have that our future value of £2,000 is going to equal a starting value, the present value, plus some interest component of this present value, which is the present value times the interest rate, 0.07, times some time component, which is 182 over 365. And so we can factor out this p over here, and so it's going to be p1 plus 0.07 multiplied by 182 over 365. And that's what £2,000 is equal to. So it's really 2,000 divided by this bit over here is going to give us our present value. So P will equal, and we can use Excel to figure this one out. So I'll first figure out one side of this and say what is 1 plus 0.07 multiplied by 182 divided by 365. That's 0.07 times 182 over 365, add 1 is that, and then we're going to say equals £2,000 divided by this amount here. So the present value is 1932.55. 1932.55. The reason it's much bigger is because we're only allowing 182 days for this principal amount to accumulate interest to reach 2,000, other than the fact that it's also simple interest. Whereas in the part A, we're allowing a smaller amount because we've got 3 whole years to compound upon itself at 7% to reach a total of £2,000. So that's pounds as well. So that's how you figure it out.